All right, let's look at the homework 1.4, problem number 7. All right, so use the graph of square root of x minus 3. So let's see, we know that the graph is going to be, all right, so it's x minus 3. So it's going to go through 3, 0. So looks like this is going to be the picture. This is not it, and this is not it. So we know that this is the correct picture, right? And then we want to use the horizontal line test to see if its a function is one-to-one, right? So if no horizontal line crosses the graph more than once, then it is a one-to-one function, right? So we're looking at the graph here. So this is the correct graph. So you can see that no matter where you draw a horizontal line, right? We're going to apply just like a vertical line test. Horizontal lines, you can get it to intersect only at most once, which means that it passes the horizontal line test. So therefore, yes, this is a one-to-one function, right? So now, since it's a one-to-one function, we can find the inverse function, right? So let's find the inverse function here, right? So we have original function given, right? So first step is I'm going to replace the f of x by y, so that's easy to do, right? So we do that. Right, second step is solve this equation for x. Right, so first thing is I guess I have to get rid of the square root. So I'm going to square both sides. Then you get the y squared is equal to x minus 3. Then I'm going to isolate x, so I have to add 3 to get rid of negative 3 there. So by adding 3 to both sides, you get the y squared plus 3 is equal to x. All right, now we solve for x there. All right, third step is exchange x and y. So every time you see x, you put y, and every time you see y, you put x. All right, so we get that. So x becomes y, so y squared becomes x squared, plus 3 is still plus 3. All right, last step is call that f inverse. All right, so we have that. So f inverse is x squared plus 3. All right, so let's type this guy in. All right, we got x squared plus 3. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.